Hello, my name is John Jairo Gaviria. I live in Aguazul Casanare. I am a student of the Environmental Engineering program. I am 30 years old and belong to Seat Yopal. The last weekend I went with my friends to make cycling route to very natural landscapes where you can see the splendor of the savanna, the hard yours orange horse, the which we travel approximately 60 km and the crossing we made barbecue where I one will serve be my wife, my daughter and my friends. The the climate of the municipalities of Aguazul is tempered in the summer. It means a lot of the breeze and I head very strong. It is recommended to use some black to bring comfort and light clothes. A car crash, hydrate yourself constant for your health. Also bring your hat so you can protect yourself from the sun. Have your screen at hand. Comfort and light clothing will be special to face the light temperature. Visit attract places such as We Point, Tinihe Lagoon. Thank you.